So in this video we'll be talking about what could be the possible playing 11 for Delhi Capitals in the IPL auction 2025. Uh, their squad looks very strong after this year's IPL auction. They did very well with their auctions. But let's look at what are their previous retentions. So their previous retentions were Akshar Patel, Kuldeep Yadav, Tristan Stubbs, and Abhishek Poral. So Akshar Patel is definitely the best all-rounder for Delhi Capitals, I would say, because he could even play top of the order. He can always absorb pressure when he's batting. So he is a very capable batsman, and he is definitely a very good bowler. Uh, Kuldeep Yadav is a very unique Chinaman bowler. We don't have a lot of Chinaman bowlers, especially Kuldeep Yadav. He's always in form, and he has proved to be good with Delhi Capitals even in the past. Tristan Stubbs, his previous season for Delhi Capitals, it was absolutely amazing. He was the best finisher. He could come at any point of. He not only did he finish a lot of matches properly and win for Delhi Capitals, but he can bat at any place in the batting order. You can send him at the top of the order, in the middle order, or as a finisher. You can send him as any option, and he'll still hit. Abhishek Porel, they might have my analogy of why they might have retained Abhishek Porel was they just wanted a keeping option, and the years in which Rishabh Pant was injured, uh, Abhishek Porel was only keeping for Delhi Capitals, and he was even batting very decently. He was he didn't make the absence of Rishabh Pant feel as much as it would have. He batted very well, and he is a wicket keeping option. So they kept him. Now let's see what they did in the auctions. So in the auction, they definitely bought themselves a captain, KL Rahul. Then they bought in from Harry Brook, and they've got Jay Fraser McGurk back. This is a very steal buy, according to me, for Delhi Capitals, because last year Jake Fraser McGurk was very explosive for Delhi Capitals. As an opener in the power play, he used to come and smash the bowlers and set the momentum of like 60, 65 runs in power play very regularly. They bought Duplessis, and which is a good buy. He was bought at a lower price, so that is very disappointing. But they have Fab Duplessis now, who's also a very capable T20 batsman. He was captaining for RCB last season. Uh, they bought Ashutosh Sharma, who performed exceptionally for Punjab Kings last year. Ashutosh Sharma and Shashank Singh were steals for Punjab King last season. So they managed to keep Shashank Singh by retaining him, but Punjab has lost Ashutosh Sharma, who would have been a dream buy for Punjab Kings, but still, anyways, now that Delhi have it, Darshan Alkinde, they might have bought Darshan Alkinde to replace Rasik Salam, what he did in the last season, because they are very similar kind of bowlers. Uh, because they are more of T20 specific bowlers. So that's why they might have bought Darshan Alkande. He was playing for Gujarat Titans last season. Uh, and Mukesh Kumar. Mukesh Kumar is like proper line and length bowler. He's a proper test bowler, but even in T20s he was a go-to bowler for Delhi Capitals in the previous couple of seasons, I guess. T Natarajan is a proper T20 bowler. He has his variations. He has his overs in which it's not easy to hit him. Interestingly, Delhi Capitals has bought another steal buy, which is Mitchell Stark, and Mohit Sharma, who's also he's in the later part of his career, but he's also a very capable T20 batsman, sorry, bowler. Uh, and so this is my possible playing 11 for Delhi Capitals. So there's Jake Fraser McGurk opening with KL Rahul. Or we could even see Jake Fraser McGurk opening with Faf du Plessis and KL Rahul coming at one down. or KL Rahul opening with McGurk and coming and Faf du Plessis coming at one down. It's up to KL Rahul where he wants to bat, wherever he feels comfortable. That's where we'll see him. Followed by Harry Brook at number 4 and Akshar Patel at number 5. Why I keep Akshar Patel at number 5 is because I feel if at all there is a batting collapse for Delhi Capitals, Akshar Patel should manage it. But if let's say these four batsmen they manage to end up playing for more than 15 overs, uh, then then I believe this should be the batting order. Trishna Subs coming at number 5, followed by Akshar Patel and Ashutosh Sharma for always for finishing. He is the hitter of the team, so I'll always keep him for 4 down or 5 down, one of these positions. So there's Ashutosh Sharma. Now for spinners, we have Kuldeep Yadav in the team and Akshar Patel, who are very good T20 spinners. Uh, for pace bowlers, we have three pace bowler options, but Delhi has a very good set of fast bowlers also. They have Dushman Chamira who's from Sri Lanka, Mohit Sharma also, and even Darshan Nalkande. So they can use three of these bowlers, but these would be my three picks since it is my playing 11. So I would play Stark in the opening spell with Mukesh Kumar, followed by Natarajan and a spinner probably Kuldeep, and Akshar Patel coming to support, and one of the all-rounders. Ashutosh Sharma can also bowl, so maybe Ashutosh Sharma. So that's my playing 11 for Delhi Capitals. Thank you.